Hello, I'm Amrit. It's the rep here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Honda Accord, which has 140,000 kilometers on it, and we're selling it for $13,888 plus HST and licensing. Has a clean history, no claims, no accidents. It's a great looking vehicle, dark gray on a black leather interior, power seats, the memory seats, power mirrors, power windows. It has a push start and it has a keyless entry. Here, I'm gonna start it for you. So there we go. It has, this is the exact mileage. Of course, radio, climate control. It does come with a rear view camera, which is very nice touch, and it has a right side blind spot assisting camera. When you put the right signal on, then it shows you in your blind spot if there is something. So the heated seats, I'm not sure if I mentioned that or not. Automatic transmission, Bluetooth, cruise control, eco mode. It's a lane departure assistance as well. That's how clean it is. Yeah, tires are perfect. The brakes are just brand new. And there we go. It's very clean, in and out. If you have any question regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Those orange ones are a reflection of this pylon, so don't think that there is something wrong with it. It's super clean vehicle. Thank you.